Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make the most accurate Sokka cosplay necklace. This necklace is sturdy and doesn't take a ton of materials if you already have a 3D printer. If you'd rather this just show up at your mailbox in a couple days, link in the description below to my shop where you can buy the finished necklace. If you're here to make it yourself, let's get started. First, you'll need some 3D printed squares. The link for this file is in the description. You'll need about 10 squares for an adult-sized necklace, along with some elastic string and a lobster clasp with a small keyring. Prep your squares by sanding any jagged edges. We can start threading our necklace together. I start with the bottom rows and I add one at a time, not touching the top row at all. Once I get about 5 squares tied together through the bottom row, I go ahead and add the lobster clasp. Then I go back and thread through the top row of those first 5 I already have done. If at any point you feel like you don't have enough thread pulled through, go ahead and pull some more from the base spool. The more we thread, the trickier it'll be to go back and do this. Once those 5 are complete, we can go ahead and move on, and just like we only did the bottom row last time, we're only going to do the top row this time. Here I am adding the keyring closure. I like the keyrings because the thread can't really slip out. And just like before, we're going to continue our threading back through the bottom row to complete this necklace. Now we can cut the string free from the base spool and we're going to tie a knot. I like to tie 4. And in between each, I'm making sure it is completely tight and pulling from the base as well because elastic string likes to slip loose. After I do my 4 knots and it feels secure, I can go ahead and cut this. I like to leave a little bit of a tail because I can hide this in the necklace without it showing. This will keep that knot a little bit more secure. And that's it, your Sokka necklace is now complete. This is a great and simple way to elevate your Sokka cosplay. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see more Avatar-themed cosplays and tutorials, just let me know because I'm a big fan. Alright, see you guys next time.